We can all agree that there is no place in our lives for litter. So let's come together and create a litter-free California. Join us at cleanca.com. Let's do it together. Brought to you by Caltrans.
I'd rather ride a bike with my kids than ride in an ambulance.
I'd rather have a catch with my dog Curtis than catch pneumococcal pneumonia. If you're 19 or older with certain chronic conditions like heart disease, asthma, or diabetes, you may be at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about getting vaccinated with Prevnar 20 pneumococcal 20-valent conjugate vaccine, a Pfizer vaccine that can help protect against pneumococcal pneumonia in just one dose. Learn more at Prevnar20.com. Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to help prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia. Continued approval may depend on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar 20 if you've had a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine or its ingredients. Adults with weakened immune systems may have a lower response to the vaccine. The most commonly reported side effect was pain at the injection site. For additional common side effects and full prescribing information, please call 1-855-213-2138 or visit Prevnar20.com.
This podcast is brought to you by Genentech, the makers of a treatment for SMA. Whether you are living with SMA or are the parent to a child with SMA, make a choice today that could impact your future. Visit treatmysma.com to see why treatment matters.
I never chose to become a gambling addict, but what I did choose was to get help from a professional counselor.
For no-cost gambling addiction counseling, call 1-800-GAMBLER or text SUPPORT to 53342. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
With DoorDash, you can get your Starbucks pick-me-ups without the picking up. Seriously, we're bringing your go-tos right to you. Cheers to the anytimes, any reasons, and the anything in betweens. Starbucks delivery now available on DoorDash. Menu limited. See the DoorDash app for details. Tap the banner to order now.
No, we're not going to normalize this. No, there shouldn't be dirty, smelly people riding the train slouched over or passed out from the truck. I don't care if they don't stab me. They don't belong there. It's a quality of life thing. It's pretty simple. And I think quality of life is damn important to people.
John and Ken.
Obviously, not being stabbed is more important.
Live 1 to 4 p.m. on KFI. And on demand anytime on the iHeartRadio app.
Not supposed to make a turn right there. Sign so clear, so left.
Standing by for an update out of Nashville on that shooting at the school church there in Nashville. Killed 6 people yesterday before the shooter herself was killed. They just made an announcement to the awaiting media that they're waiting for their sign language interpreter to show up. So when they do start that, we will bring it to you live. Again, the update on that church and school shooting there in Nashville. One of the issues that we've been following is this weird civil trial. It's weird only because of the people involved and because of the memes that this thing has generated. But this Gwyneth Paltrow civil trial in Park City, Utah, where a doctor, a retired optometrist, has sued Gwynny, saying she skied out of control during a run at the Deer Valley Resort there in Park City, slammed into the guy, broke a bunch of ribs, and caused a bunch of issues.
He is suing for $300,000, claims that she hit his back, knocked him down hard, knocking him out, causing a traumatic brain injury, and as you mentioned, 4 broken ribs. Her lawyers say that it was him, that he ran into her.
Yeah, she even described, I thought it was a pretty damning evidence, she described looking down and seeing 2 skis come between her legs, like he was skiing behind her at the time. This, however, was Dr. Terry Sanderson on the stand yesterday.
And then another big sign, like 10 feet away, the same 4x8 sheet up there, big letters. Well, they're serious. Must be lots of emerging trails down here. So I just backed off, and again, the skiers are on my left. We're all about the same speed. And I could see down where the edge of the run went. It curved around a tree line, came out a little bit, and the run curled around. And I could see about half of the, I don't know if it's a Montage or Empire, about half of that beautiful building, and it was wide open there.